Millions of people sleep on premium mattresses every night, but very few know the surprising secret hidden deep inside. Hidden beneath the surface is a natural material that started its journey as agricultural waste. What if we told you this luxury mattress began as something most people throw away? Every year, millions of tons of coconut husks are discarded around the world. Yet hidden inside this waste lies a valuable resource. Inside giant industrial facilities, this waste undergoes one of the most fascinating transformations in modern manufacturing. This is the incredible journey of how discarded coconut husks become premium mattress materials used around the world. The journey begins at coconut plantations, where millions of husks are collected after the coconuts have been processed. What was once considered waste is now valuable raw material destined for industrial processing. Thousands of tons of coconut husks travel from plantations to specialized factories every year. After traveling hundreds of kilometers, the raw material finally reaches the heart of production. Every shipment is inspected to ensure quality and consistency before processing begins.
The coconut husks are now ready for their transformation inside the factory.
The first stage inside the factory begins with large-scale unloading operations. The factory must process huge quantities of raw material every day.
Sorting systems ensure only suitable material continues through production.
Industrial screening equipment improves consistency before processing. Quality control remains critical throughout every stage of production.
With sorting complete, the husks are ready for intensive cleaning. The coconut husks must be cleaned before valuable fibers can be extracted. Industrial washing removes contaminants and prepares the material for processing. Excess moisture must be removed before the next stage. Drying improves efficiency and prepares the husks for fiber extraction. The cleaned husks are now ready for the most important stage of the entire process. The hidden fibers inside every coconut husk are about to be revealed. This is the heart of the factory, where waste begins its transformation into a valuable product. Advanced machinery separates the natural fibers hidden inside each husk. The valuable coconut fiber finally appears after a remarkable mechanical transformation. Thousands of kilograms of fiber can be produced every day. The extracted fibers are collected and prepared for further refinement. The waste has now become a valuable industrial resource, but the journey is only halfway complete. The raw fibers have been extracted, but they are still far from becoming the premium material hidden inside luxury mattresses. These machines remove impurities and transform rough fibers into a clean, uniform material. What was once discarded as waste is now becoming a valuable industrial resource. Every hour, thousands of kilograms of refined fiber move deeper into production. Advanced quality systems ensure consistency before the next stage. The fibers are now ready for their most dramatic transformation. This is where loose fibers begin their journey toward becoming mattress cores. Millions of fibers unite to create a strong and resilient structure. The foundation of the future mattress is finally taking shape. Every layer is engineered to provide comfort, support, and durability. The hidden heart of the mattress is now complete. The waste has been transformed into something entirely new.
Precision manufacturing prepares every mattress component. Additional layers transform the core into a finished sleep product.
Premium fabrics complete the final design. The transformation is now complete.
Every mattress must meet strict quality standards.
Only the best products continue to the final stage.
Packaging protects the mattresses during transport.
Modern technology reduces size while preserving quality.
Thousands of finished products wait for shipment.
The products are prepared for global distribution. The journey continues beyond the factory walls. What began as waste is now ready to enter homes around the world.
The final destination is far removed from the plantation where the journey began. Most people never realize what lies beneath the surface.
Hidden inside is the result of an extraordinary transformation. From agricultural waste to a luxury product, every stage reveals the power of modern manufacturing. What most people throw away has become the foundation of a global industry.
This is how millions of discarded coconut husks are transformed into premium mattresses used around the world.